Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. Running out of stock quietly costs you sales. A shopper finds your product, it's marked sold out, and they leave. In this short guide you'll learn how to keep your stock accurate, so your best sellers stay available and you never oversell. Start by opening products from the left menu. This is your whole catalog in one place, every item you sell, with its price and its stock side by side. Look at the quantity column. It shows how many of each product you have left, at a glance. When a number gets low, that's your cue to restock before it hits zero. Open the product you want to restock, and find the in-stock field under Pricing and Inventory. Type in how many you now have on hand. That single number is what buyers see as available, so keep it honest and up to date. Now turn on Track Inventory. With this on, Resogra automatically lowers your stock by 1 every time someone buys, so the count stays correct on its own, and you never accidentally sell something you don't have. If you like, set a minimum and maximum order quantity per product. A minimum is handy for items you sell in packs, and a maximum stops one buyer from clearing out your whole shelf in a single order. Finally, click Save. Your new stock level goes live everywhere instantly, on your store page and in search, so shoppers always see exactly what's available. That's stock management on Resogra. Check your quantities, restock the low ones, turn on tracking so the count looks after itself, and save. Do this quick check each week and you'll never lose a sale to a sold-out surprise. Thanks for watching, and visit resogra.com for more free vendor tutorials.